Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You've opened PowerPoint and gone straight to the Design tab so you can start theming right away. First, scan the built-in themes and hover to preview how colors and effects change your slides. Once you see a direction you like, click More to expand the gallery or choose Browse for themes to import a THMX or PODX file from your drive. Make sure to note the base color and font pairing so subsequent edits stay consistent. Now you'll move into the Slide Master to make purposeful changes. Open View Slide Master and edit the top master so all layouts inherit your choices. Change theme colors, swap fonts, and modify effects to match brand or tone. This ensures consistency rather than tweaking each slide. Once done, apply the theme to either selected slides or the whole deck. Also update background styles for contrast. This avoids surprises when you add new content later. Finish by saving your custom theme as a THMX or template PODX so you can reuse it across decks. Then test on a few sample slides to confirm contrast, spacing, and placeholder behavior. If things look off, reset affected slides to the layout or reapply the master to force updates. One key troubleshooting tip: if fonts or spacing break, install the missing font or embed fonts on save. Otherwise, use a closed system font and reapply the theme to restore layout integrity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.